Hello, my name is Madeline Evely, and welcome to my Mathcast. Our intended audience is first grade, and our learning objective is to use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number up to 100. In order to get started, we do need to go over some vocabulary. Today we will be reviewing the words digit, number, place value, ones, and tens. So let's start with looking at digit. Digit can be defined as any one of these symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Here we can see another version of this. We often confuse our vocabulary word digit, which is our symbols, with our next vocabulary word number. Number is defined as a unit that indicates quantity, how many, or value, how much. We describe numbers with symbols, like these, or words: 1, right here, 5, right here, or 11, right here. Up here is another example. Here's our symbol, and our word is 2. Here's our symbol, our word is 57, and here's another symbol, which adds up to 141. Our next vocab word is place value. Place value is the value a digit has because of its place in a number. The name of the position a digit has in a number, such as ones or tens. Today we're just going to be focusing on our ones and tens places, so we're just going to look at these two digits. Right here, 7 is in the ones place, so it's worth 7. And 5 is in the tens place, making it worth 50. Ones can be defined as the numbers 0 through 9, also refers to the ones place. So here we have our 4, which is in the ones place, and we can see 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, making this worth 4. Next we have tens. Tens is the numbers 10 through 99, also refers to the tens place. Right here, this is pointing to 1, the 1, which is in the tens place, and a bundle of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So starting off with example 1, we always want to begin by reading the directions. Our directions state to write the tens and ones and complete this statement. So let's look at what we have given to us. We have a place value chart labeled with ones and tens. We have necklaces and some beads, and then right here is our statement. So let's look at our necklaces and beads. Let's start with our full necklaces. On the string we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads on the string and 4 groups of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write this 4 in our tens place. Next, we're going to look at our beads right here. There are only 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write this 3 over here in the ones place. So looking down here at our statement, it says blank tens and blank ones. 4 tens and 3 ones is equal to 43. With example 2, again we're going to start with the directions. Write the tens and ones and complete the statement. We have our place value chart labeled with ones and tens. We have bags of peanuts and 3 peanuts all by themselves. So again, let's start with our bagged peanuts. It tells us that there are 10 peanuts in each bag. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 bags of peanuts, so we're going to put that in our 10 spot. Now let's look at our peanuts all by themselves. There are 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put that in our 1 spot. Our statement on the bottom says there are blank peanuts. So we have 7 groups of 10 and 3 ones. That would make 73 peanuts. Finally, for example 3, our directions say to write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. So, with A, we have a 0 and a 4. Our 0 is in the ones place, so we're going to stick that right in there. And our 4, that's in the tens place, so that belongs in there. This is telling us there are 0 ones and 4 groups of tens. Next for B, we have a 6 and a 4. So our 6 here, we're going to scoot again over into this ones place. And our 4 comes over here to the tens place. This shows us that we have 6 ones and 4 groups of 10. Thank you for watching my Mathcast. My resources include Engage New York and the Math Vocab Cards app. Again, this was created by Madeline Evely.